Now, to map it to the sine and cos discussions that we are having. So now if I draw, say, any angle from here, any angle, okay? Don't think it is 30 degree, 45 degree, anything. It could be any angle. I need to draw it again. All right. So now say, and if we then draw a tangent onto this x-axis, okay? Now we don't know what these coordinates are, so let's call them x comma y, general coordinates. Okay, so I mean this point is x comma y, and what that means, I hope it is very clear to you that this length from here to here, let me take a different color to just demonstrate this well. So if I say from here till here, the length is x, correct? And similarly, from here to here, if the length is y, right? So then this coordinate becomes x comma y. Y is the vertical length, x is the horizontal length. And that's how we get this point. Now, if we take this angle as theta, okay, so you remember the definition now, what is sine theta? Okay, we just looked at it here, right? Sine theta. So it's the same thing, let's apply it here. Sine theta is nothing but y, that is the opposite side to angle theta. So y divided by 1. It's actually r, right? The hypotenuse is radius. But as I said, this is a unit circle, so r is nothing but 1. So that is why it is y divided by r, where r is 1, so it is only y. And similarly, cos theta is nothing but the adjacent side x divided by r, that is 1. So cos theta is x. So in short, sine theta is always y and cos theta is always x when we talk about a unit circle. Okay. So that brings me to the very important conclusion that any point x comma y can also be represented as cos theta, because if you just look at this one, cos theta is nothing but x and y is nothing but sine theta. So I can represent this as cos theta comma sine theta. So you just need to remember this, my friends, that any point on the unit circle can be represented as cos theta comma sine theta. Cos comes first, sine comes next. Okay. And now we can easily derive the values here. So for example, if we take this point now let's start filling up this table, okay? Slow and steady. So if we talk about this particular point, intersection point, then this is nothing but what is the angle? Theta. So angle is nothing but 0 degree, because we are talking about things parallel to the x-axis, right? So this is nothing but, this point is cos theta comma sine theta. Any point is cos theta comma sine theta. But since theta is 0, this is nothing but cos 0 comma sine 0. So you see the direct mapping now, this cos 0 is nothing but 1 and the sine 0 is nothing but 0. As simple as that.